Today we discuss about drug action on endocrine system. This is included in Medicinal Chemistry 2 Unit 4. The first topic is about what a steady carbon containing drug is formed, its nomenclature, how to name it, or the number of carbon atoms. So, first of all, we see the benzene ring. Then, if the 2 ring is attached, then it is called as naphthalene. And if the 3 ring is attached, then it is called as anthracene. The isomer of anthracene known as phenanthrene. The anthracene structure is this. The 3 ring is in a straight line, but phenanthrene is 2 ring is down and 1 ring is up. So the saturated form of phenanthrene is parhydro. The saturated form of this. So and the cycloplankton structure is that. So if the cycloplankton and parhydrophenanthrene is attached together, then it is called as cyclopentanoparhydrophenanthrene. It is a stereonucleus. The structure will be that. The nomenclature is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The nomenclature, how it's the numbering is done, the nomenclature is done. The four rings are here. So the first ring is complete, then the second ring, then the third, then the fourth. If we name it A, B, C, D, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is A, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is B, then vice versa. So the stereoid carbons are C17, C18, C19, C21, and C17 structure is guanine. The C17 means 17 carbon containing stereoid. Means this structure. If the C18, if a carbon number of carbon atom is 1 extra, then it is called as estrine. One extra carbon is attached in 13 position, that is as a beta bond in 13 position, that is 18. The one carbon attached in 13 position. Estrines, the example of estrine is estrogen. C19 carbon containing group, steroid group is endocrine. The 19th carbon is attached in 10th position. We will see in previous structure that the 18th carbon in 13th position, then the 19th carbon is attached in 10th position. So it is called as endocrine. The C20 has no steroid possible in 20 carbon containing group. Then we will see the C21 pregnant. The C21 carbon atom is the 2 carbon is extra than C19. So the 2 carbon is attached in the 17th position as a simple bond. 20-21. The 2 carbon attached on 17th position. That is called as C21 pregnant. Then the C24 colon. The colon C24, there are 3 extra bonds. So as a structure like this is 18, this is 19, and this is 20, 21, but 22, 23, 24 is another side of 21. The colon ring present in cholic acid. Cholic acid means bile acid, that is called as bile acid. So this ring is present in bile acid, that is cholic acid. The 3 carbon in 20th position straight. The 20th position 3 carbon is straight in another side. Then it is cholesterol. Cholesterol, what is cholesterol? Cholesterol ring present in cholesterol. The cholesterol is this structure. This is the cholesterol structure. Cholesterol structure. We will know 18 carbon is here, 19 carbon is here, but 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 26, 27. The 3 carbon are branched. Here as the 24 we will know Then the 25, 26, 27 are branched here. So this is called as cholesterol. That all are stereocarbons. So tomorrow we will discuss about the stereochemistry of steroids. Thanks for watching.